Well, we have the machine completely built now. We got it all zip tied together, cleaned up. So the last step before we can start using it is to square the machine. I went ahead and read the instructions before doing the video this time. So what it sounds like, the way you do it is you have to loosen up these 8 screws here, and then you loosen up all of these screws here, attaching this, and then you just move this all the way forward and then tighten it up to where it's against those and yada yada. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Tight. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go get the computer, get it all plugged in, see if we can't get some movement. Alright, I got it all set up. I made sure everything's working. It works great. I had no doubts that it was going to work great. It's all squared up, and it really was easy to build. So my thoughts on this machine, I had no doubt that it was going to be great. I have a Nomad 883, and it is a great machine. I've worked with Carbide 3D in the past, so I had no doubts that this was going to be a good machine. But I was blown away by the quality, and the rigidity of this machine is amazing. If you are thinking about getting one of these versus getting like an X-Carve or something, I will say that, you know, the rigidity of this versus Maker Slide, which is what the X-Carve is built on, this is unbeatable. If you want to mill aluminum, I would definitely use something like this versus an X-Carve. I personally have not worked with the X-Carve or any of that company's products, so, but just my opinion. We'll just say that. This went together super easy. It was a really easy build. So, all in all, I'm going to say really good, thumbs up. My only complaint would be the instructions were a little hard to follow. They were a little basic. I did see that once you go into the Shapeoko XXL instructions, some of the missing instructions were in there, but you can tell that they didn't used to come with homing switches on the regular Shapeoko 3 because there's no instructions for the homing switches in the Shapeoko 3 instructions. You have to look elsewhere. So they could have done a little bit better on writing the instructions or updating the instructions. But really, that's my only complaint. Everything fit together perfect. It was a really easy build. I mean, even Dustin could have probably done it eventually. So, all in all, great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.